In the last few weeks, I made many videos explaining how to install different Python applications. I've also made a video explaining how to install my RawForge plugin for Darktable. But everything was done on Linux because that's the best operating system. But some of you had issues installing it on Windows, so this video is here to help you out. Today, we will install RawForge on Windows. And because RawForge is a Python application, once you have installed it once, you know how to install all of the Python application. And then we will install my Darktable plugin for RawForge on Windows. If that sounds good for you, let's go. Okay, so we are inside a Windows 11 virtual machine. The first step will be to install Git. So you can go on the Git website. The link will be in the video description. And from there, you can decide if you want the standalone installer, so you can click there and install the .exe, or you can decide to use WinGit, which is what we will do today. So to do so, you open PowerShell, and you paste this command, you press enter, and you wait. Once Git is installed, you can open Darktable. On the bottom left corner, you will see Lua Script Install. You open it and you click on Execute. And that's it. The Lua Script Manager has been installed. Now you can click on Action, click on Install Update Script. Next, you open your browser and you need to put the URL of my Darktable script GitHub repository. So you copy this. Again, the link will be in the description. And you paste it right there. You can name the folder. So I will call it custom. And then you click on install additional scripts. I think it's installed now. So you can click on action, click on start stop scripts. And under folder, you should see one named custom. You click there and that's it. You have all my script. So you can enable RawForge over there and you will see it show up on the right side panel. So right there, you have the RawForge plugin. If you go to the setting menu, you can see that we don't have any binary path defined. So we need to install RawForge and Exiftool in order to put them there and use the application. So to do so, we will install a package manager called UV. So this will be used to install Python applications. So you can go on the UV website. Again, the link will be in the video description. And for Windows, you can copy this command inside PowerShell. So I will copy it, paste it there, press enter. That's it, UV is installed. Now we need to go to the local app data folder to install RawForge. So I will do cd. Okay, so as you can see, I made many mistakes and there is red everywhere. And I think I know what I did wrong. So after you install Git, you need to open a new shell. So I will click there, open a new PowerShell instance, and we will start from there. So now we want to install RawForge. So we need to go to the folder where we want to install it. So you open a file explorer, you put local app data %, then you click on programs and you copy the folder path. So when you go there, you can do cd, paste it. Now you are in the folder. So then you do git clone and you paste the URL of the RawForge repository. So again, link will be in the video description. So once you go back there, you paste the URL, you press enter, and that's it. It will clone everything. Then you cd inside the RawForge folder you just created by pulling it from GitHub. Now you are there. Because UV is installed, you can do UV venv. That will create the virtual environment. So you see it created a .venv script activate. And if we do, I think it's ls. Yeah, if we do ls, we see we have the venv right there. Now what we do to install RawForge is we do uv pip install -e space dot, and we press enter. So now it will install all the dependencies RawForge needs. And it will install RawForge as well. While it's downloading and installing all that stuff, we can also install Exiftool. So to do so, you go to the Exiftool website. Again, the link will be in the video description. So on Windows, you can click there, and it will download the zip file from RawForge. Once downloaded, you can unzip the folder. So if I go back here, I can extract it. Now you go inside again, and you rename the exe file. You remove the -k. So it should look like this. Now you can you can cut this folder. You go to your C program file and you paste it there. And that's it. So now let's see if RawForge has been installed. So as you can see, RawForge is installed. Now you can open Darktable. In the RawForge plugin, the first field is for RawForge. So when you click on the file picker, you can go there, you type local app data $sign again. We install everything under programs, and you have RawForge there. Next, you click on .venv script, and there will be a file named RawForge. Okay, so it's right there. So you double click there, so RawForge executable is selected. Next, you need to select Exiftool. So we've installed it in the program file. So C program file, Exiftool, exiftool.exe, and then you click on Save Path. And that's it. So now we can select the models we want. So I will select super light because I'm inside a VM. Let's say I select, I don't know. Let's say I select this and I press, no, not a good example. I need a raw file. Let's say I select this and I click denoise. What will happen is it will download the model because that's the first time I'm using it. And next it will use the model to denoise the image. And when that happens, the final denoised image will automatically be imported back inside the library. So once that's done, I will show you the end result, and that's it. Okay, so I'm not sure how long it took, but I think we have our final image. So if I remove the filter, well, I'm not able to find it from Darktable, so instead I will go there. Okay, so we have it right there. So that's the file we created with RawForge. So I know it because of the -RawForge. So that's it. Everything is working. So that's it for me. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, just give me a like and see you next time.